Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 28 how to access your archive on Instagram using an iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now we can go to the iPhone, go to the Instagram application, click on this, make sure we are signed into the account, go to your profile, and now we can go to the right hand top corner of the screen where we see the three lines. Click this, go to the archive, and now we see all the photos and videos that we have archived in the previous tutorial, number 1 and number 2, and the others were from the previous tutorials. Go back and we can also archive anything else. Go to your iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.